This is Craig Helgard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Corn prices were down hard yesterday as the weekly ethanol report showed even more demand destruction than the trade was looking for. For the week, we produced an average of 570,000 barrels a day. A year ago, we averaged 1,016,000 barrels daily. And in spite of the production continuing to plummet, we saw stocks increase once again to a record 2,747,000 barrels. As I record this, the overnight spot corn futures are trading a half-cent higher. Soybeans had a pleasant surprise yesterday when the March NOPA crush numbers came out at 181.4 million bushels. That was over 6 million bushels above the trade estimate and a record for the most beans ever crushed in a month. Beans also should have been supported by logistical fears in South America in light of a claim by Argentinian Inspector Union that with the expansion of the coronavirus, exports should be deemed non-essential. In spite of this seemingly positive news, nearby futures finished today a nickel lower as Brazilian soybeans continue to work into China about 19 cents a bushel cheaper than U.S. beans. In the overnight trade, spot soybean futures are trading a half-cent lower. Wheat was down yesterday on technical selling despite another round of cold Tuesday night temperatures that mirrored Monday's below freezing temperatures in the plains. That increases the odds of significant damage, but it wasn't enough to rally the market yesterday. We should hear results of another Egyptian tender this morning. It'll be interesting to see if we can edge out Russia for that business. In the overnight trade, Chicago is 3 cents higher, Kansas City is up 6, and Minneapolis is trading a nickel higher as I record this. Cotton was once again confined to a very narrow trading range before closing just a touch higher yesterday. For the day, May futures were up 24 points, closing at 52.75. In the overnight trade, we have spot futures down one point. Livestock futures were a little bit better yesterday. June live cattle futures finished the day up $1, 2.5 cents, while May feeder cattle futures were 72.5 cents better for the day. Lean hog futures were stronger as well. We had the June futures 67.5 cents higher at the close. Class 3 milk futures traded in a real tight trading range yesterday, but it was encouraging to see them finally post a little bit stronger close. For the session, May futures were up 14 points as they settled at 11.18. In the overnight trade, however, we're seeing that all undone with the spot futures trading down 17 points as I record this. With packing plants closed or slowing operations, we saw meat cutout values for beef firming up yesterday. Choice beef boxes were $3.86 higher as they closed at $230.53, while selects were up $6.45 to close at $222.22. Pork carcass values were 97 cents lower as they settle out today at $52.10 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Helgard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.